This is book of class 4 Gulmohar, and now we are going to read the poem Sheet given on page number 33. The poet of the poem is Walter de la Mare. Walter de la Mare. Okay? In this poem, the poet is talking about a small seed. The poet is telling us that how a small seed becomes a big plant and what type of great efforts it did to come out of the earth. It is shown clearly in this poem. In the same way, we should also do great efforts to come up to the expectation of our family members and our parents. Okay? So now we will see how the poet is going to explain the growth of a seed, the life of a seed. The seeds I showed for weeks unseen. Here the poet says, the seeds which I put into the earth, into the soil, they were unseen for weeks. Means they were not coming out from the ground for weeks, for so many weeks. Have pushed up pygmy shoots of green, so frail you would think the tiniest stone would never let a glimpse be shown. He is saying that those small seeds which remain unseen for weeks under the ground, now they came out of the earth in the shape of, in the form of shoots of green, in the form of small saplings. They were so frail, they were so weak, they were so tiny, so small. And you know, no stones and the hard earth, they will not allow these such type of small things to come out of them. They were trying to press it under the earth. But, you know, but no, a pebble near them lies, at least a cherry stone in size. Means the small pebbles and the ground, they were stopping them, stopping those seeds to come out. But the seeds do lots of effort. And finally what happened? Which that mere sprout has heaped away, to bask in sunshine see the day. Now that small plant, that small sapling pushed away the earth, pushed away the small stones and come out to see the sunshine, to enjoy the sunlight, to have a bath, to get itself wet in the sunlight and enjoy the daylight and enjoy the day. Means after great efforts, the small seed comes out of the ground and touch the sunlight and enjoy it very nicely. I hope children you understand this poem very nicely. Here are some rhyming words in the poem like unseen, green, stone, shown. Okay? In the same way in next stanza also, lies, size, away, day. So these are called rhyming words. Why they are called rhyming words? Because they are having same sounds. Okay? Now children, so many exercises are there in this book which are having space you will do in book only, and rest I will send you the PDF for the question answers that you will do in your notebook. Okay children? I hope you all understand this poem very nicely. Thank you so much.